What if you could get rid of your kitchen garbage at the push of a button? Meet Lomi, a new revolutionary kitchen appliance that takes care of your garbage so you don't have to.
You see, here at Pilo, we're a team of material scientists and engineers, and we believe waste can be designed out of your daily life.
Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can take your food waste, product packaging, and even compostable plastics and turn them into nutrient-rich fertilizer at the push of a button. We get it. There are definitely other ways of dealing with your waste, but a lot of them require time and space that some people just don't have.
See, maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. Those plastic bins with the leaky bags under your sink, you know what I'm talking about. They're great at producing smelly, gross liquid sludge. Raccoons, anybody? Or maybe you don't have a green bin where you live. And instead, you throw all your food waste into the garbage, which then goes to landfill, which produces methane, which causes climate change. Still smells pretty terrible and makes a mess of your kitchen.
Food waste creates more than 330 billion pounds of garbage every year in North America alone. Toss plastic and packaging on top of that, and you can see why the problem is pretty big. So far, over 100,000 of you have welcomed Lomi into your homes. And together, you've eliminated so much carbon that it's basically like unburning 5 million pounds of coal. The US produces the most waste per person in the world. So it's no wonder that over 100,000 homes have made Lomi the hottest new kitchen appliance of the year.
I finally did it. I was so tired of wasting food.
Well, I got this really, really cool thing called a Lomi.
Oh my God! No joke!
Look at that. Our kitchen waste has been turned into soil we can put right into our garden.
Look, do you see that? He wants to dig. It's real dirt. He wants to dig.
To create Lomi, we spent over 3 years completing more than 1,000 compost tests and endless hours of product design and prototyping. And Lomi isn't just beautifully designed. We've created something never seen before. This is an elegant home appliance that takes care of your garbage so you don't have to.
So how does it work? Lomi accelerates the beginning stages of the composting process using a combination of technology and nature to get friendly microbes started on breaking down your waste into nutrient-rich dirt that's safe to feed to your plants, lawn, or garden. Best of all, Lomi uses less electricity than you think. Lomi can use as little as half the energy of a dishwasher cycle. Every pound of waste that Lomi turns into dirt means returning vital nutrients like carbon and nitrogen to your plants, rather than being released into the atmosphere as greenhouse gases.
And this is why we made Lomi, to help you take garbage off the to-do list permanently. To take your garbage, which is mostly food waste, and make it into something useful. You simply put your food waste into Lomi, press the button, and Lomi reduces that waste by 80% while you go do things you enjoy with your time. Imagine taking garbage out twice a month instead of twice a week. I would fill, like in a typical week, we don't have food waste pickup here. So like one of these is being filled every day or two and I'm having to take that out, which means I've got like that embarrassing, garbage can at the side of the street. It's like overflowing with stuff I'm not super proud of. But now you can kind of see like this now, I use probably one of these a week, if that. Right? It really depends on what we're doing and company and all that usual life stuff. But we've reduced our garbage by like a good 80%.
Lomi makes garbage a thing of the past and cuts your carbon footprint in half, all while making odorless, mess-free, natural fertilizer that you can feed your plants, mix into your garden, and even sprinkle on your lawn. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to figure out, actually helping the planet. Get your Lomi today and join the movement.